and welcome to Insurance Fraud Investigation. And this is just an intro to insurance fraud investigation, of course. So what is an insurance fraud investigation? Well, an insurance fraud investigation is a type of fraud investigation that centers around attempts to benefit from deceitful claims. Seeking compensation for false or inflated claims is illegal, is dangerous, and it raises the price of insurance for everyone, including you and I. According to the Coalition Against Insurance Fraud, an estimated $80 billion is paid out annually in fraudulent insurance claims. This leads to the average household paying around $950 each year in higher premiums. I know I don't want to pay those premiums, and I'm sure you don't either. In addition, being held liable in a staged accident can increase your risk of being sued. The prevalence of this type of fraud has resulted in insurance companies acting with caution when paying claims, meaning you may need professional help when making your claim. An insurance fraud investigation aids by revealing false claims. Don't let your insurance premium be a waste of money. Use a private investigator like myself to safeguard your insurance privileges. Let's take a look at the types of insurance fraud investigation. First is health insurance. This type of investigation determines whether someone is getting paid for health care they are not receiving or is filing health care claims that are not valid or needed. Investigators will search billing records to make sure that doctors and patients are not colluding to commit fraud. The next type is car insurance. Some criminals stage accidents in which they purposely collide with another car, then accuse the other driver of fault in order to file claims. Others attempt vehicle theft fraud, trying to get money for a car that's not stolen. Next is home insurance fraud. With home insurance fraud, investigators discover disaster fraud, including false damage claims. They will often determine if the claimant upgraded their coverage right before the claim was filed. Investigators will also verify the validity of property damage claims. Next are life insurance claims. This type of investigation uncovers cases of people who claim too much life insurance or claim it while still alive. Investigators also verify the existence of those claiming life insurance. Next is workers' compensation insurance. When workers claim compensation for an injury, a workers' compensation investigation will confirm the severity of the injury and whether the accident occurred while the person was working. And finally, insurance company fraud. Bad practices can also occur within the insurance companies themselves. If an insurance company takes money but does not sufficiently compensate, an investigator can aid with resulting court cases. So how is an insurance fraud investigation conducted? Well, there are several methods used to find information in an insurance fraud investigation. Most are used to determine whether claims are true or false. Here are a few commonly used techniques. First, we can conduct a surveillance to verify the claim. Let's say it's a workers' compensation claim. We can do a surveillance of the person to make sure that they are truly injured as they say they are. We also check medical reports and check medical history, do a medical history search. We take a look at previous claims and accidents and do a search on those as well. Next, we'll do an insurance coverage analysis. And of course, we'll do some witness interviews if need be. We also do a physician's billing search and an analysis of their bills, and we do a background check on the claimant. So you might ask, is it an insurance investigation just for insurance company? Well, my answer is absolutely not. When people seek to make fraudulent insurance claims, they often attempt to make claims from the estate of someone else they've implicated in the accident. For example, if someone sideswipes your car and then claims you're at fault, not only will your premiums increase, but the criminal may target you to receive additional money. A fraud insurance investigation by a professional investigator can uncover schemes and save you the hassle and cost of a court case. It can also help keep your insurance costs down. If you've been accused of insurance fraud, a qualified insurance investigator can help clear your name by gathering evidence of the injuries or damage. This can help ensure that your insurance company pays you on time and pays you the full amount to which you are entitled. If you're considering a career in private investigation and want to learn more about insurance fraud, you should consider taking my private investigator career course. It consists of 35 lessons, including an entire lesson on insurance fraud investigation, teaching you what an insurance investigation entails and completely how to accomplish one. Also, when you sign up for my course, you get a free vacation to one of 51 available locations, and I have a 3-payment plan available for the course. Again, consider a career in the fascinating and exciting field of private investigation. Now, if you're looking for a private investigator, you can visit my website at www.theintercessorsgroup.com, and I have a qualified investigator, including myself, who's waiting and willing to assist you. I'll see you in the next video.